It is that you needed to inherit during the transitional period.
Thutha wa mubango wa guthurima kaunti 19 iria icukirwo ni ciugumitie mbeca cia muingi kwambikwo ni kamiti ya bunge ya seneti ya guthurima mahuthiro ma mbeca makaunti-ini. Gavana wa Murang'a Mwangi wa Iria ni ahungirwo mahuri ona thengia wa gukorwo anang'athiria giikaro o ta giki.
And as Professor said,
kamiti ino ikienda wa Iria na maafitha kimaithiranie nganja 19 cige mahuthiro ma mbeca mwakini wa 2014-2015 rigikaro o ta giki kiagaga iritho uria wari senator wa Murang'a Kembi Gitura na uria wari munini wa muikari giti gukanira iguru rigie mbeca kuogomio. Nona kuri uguo wa Iria no manaigeria kuhiuhiria kamiti ino mutwe akienda gutianiria giikaro giki akiuga ni anacirithirio.
We penalize governors who blatantly refuse to go by the acts.
We have to sit down and discuss important issues, for example, on the review of the parameters along which funds and monies are devolved to counties.
Nari kaunti ria yanirwo gukorwo igomeirwo ni ungumania mukiru mweri-ini wa gatatu mwaka-ini uyu wa Iria akigiritania senator wa ihinda riri Irungu Kang'ata na njama ya kumuthinikania wina maafitha ake matiuma na undu ungi otia gutari uria ciringi bilioni 5,477 magana mana ma 97 utongo wa kaunti ya Murang'a mwaka-ini wa 2014-2015 itaringania na marithiti maria mariho.
I think our pending bills would be in the range of about 1.2 billion. They will keep accumulating. And I think if a county government can stay for about 6 months without any further financial commitments, it is possible to clear those bills. The challenge comes in if a new financial year comes and then county governments still want to do more roads.
Riboti ino ikionania thirikari cia makaunti kiambikwo kaunti ya Murang'a yaramataga akaunti 38 cia fegi iria gicunjĩ kia 90 itanyitithanĩtio na rurenda rwa IFMIS niguo gutigirira rekodi cia mahuthiro ma mbeca ni ciagitirwo.
The IFMIS system should also be such that the moment you hit the amount available, you cannot engage any further. And if it is locked at the IFMIS, then it becomes an automatic system such that you cannot engage any other coin, and therefore you not incur any extra expenditure.
Haha ugekuwa makaya ma mbeca kuiyo mari MCAs makurirwo mageikia amwe wao makiuga ona wabici matire niho mbeca cia ugumeirio.
Ni kwaguru gukorwo kwina audit committee area even ginya report ya auditor general ni yugete Murang'a the last regime gotia na audit committee no nithu tukorwo tugitire kondo ucio riga tugakoragwo ithuwe rurwe mwe ithu turi MCA ni oversight.
I would urge Senate to be engaging us, not necessarily when we are dealing with audit issues, because some of them they are good, but I wish we can have a working relationship.
Na kumana na mahoro ma riboti ya wa Iria, kamiti ino nerutire muthurimi wa mathabu wa kaunti ino mukano wa thikũ 14 makorwo makineana riboti nginyaniru kwaga uguo matacokirio ikinyania kiwatho. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mwaura wa Ndung'u.